Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch Instagram to a business account. So open up the Instagram app here on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. And then tap on the profile button at the very bottom right. You'll be able to look under edit your profile. If you don't see professional dashboard, you just have a personal account. Let's switch to a business account by tapping on those three lines at the very top right. And now after we've done that, all we need to do is scroll down. You'll be able to see within your settings, we're going to go down towards the bottom and you can see it says your insights and in tools, and it says account type and tools right there. Let's tap on that. Now at the very top, it says I have a personal private account, but I can switch to a business account by tapping on switch professional account. And then I'm going to hit next. Let me go back out of here. I tapped on help and you can see display on your profile, and I'm going to hit switch to professional account and hit OK. Now keep in mind, after you go through this process of setting up that professional account and you'll have that business account, you might want to enter in your contact information, your business, all that stuff. You can see here it says either business or creator. In this case, we'll choose business and hit next. And now it will auto-populate with the phone number, address, email address, or we can hit don't use my contact info. After we've done that, let's hit just skip. If you wanted to connect Facebook, you can, and then hit X. Now you have that business account because it says your business here, in my case, dessert shop, and it shows professional dashboard.